This is a 1966 Ford Country Squire. It's an auction car at Zephyr Hills, Florida auction. Dark green. Very nice condition, I would say. It's got the Dynoc panels there on the side, simulating wood. There's a neat little emblem there. The Country Squire really was the class act of these woody station wagons. Here's a 390 cubic inch engine under the hood. And of course simulated wood grain. There's a hidden gas cap underneath that panel. And then we see the horizontally opposed seats there. So you can fit quite a few people in this car. Of course, that way back there would be suitable only for kids. And even then, under today's regulations, who knows what, kiddie seats would not probably work back there, so it would be problematical today. Bench seat up front here, very nice fabric. And deep dish steering wheel, Cruise-O-Matic. The only thing it doesn't have is air conditioning, which down here would be very important. Of course, you could always add that to the car. Alright, check it around the back. Now I tried to open the door here in the back. But as you can see, I wasn't able to do it. Probably locked. This be a nice family hauler, really. Another view inside. And coming up, we're going to take a little bit longer look at that insignia there. You know, it never struck me to really look at that insignia. I guess this is typical of all the Country Squires. There it is. Very interesting.